Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to quickly multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. This is basically going to be the same thing as multiplying a 2-digit by 2-digit number. So if you have not seen my video on how to do that really fast, you should go check it out first. I will leave the link in the description box below. So let's get started. Well, you know how I just said it's a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication but twice? Well, the two digits that we are going to be multiplying are 23 and 46. Those are going to be the first two. And then 32 and 46. So you're always going to be multiplying by 46. Only thing that changes is the numbers right here, 23 and 46. So now that we know what numbers we're going to be multiplying, let's start. So first, 23 times 46. We know 3 times 6, 18. From here. Then we do the outside plus inside, remember? 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Carry the 1, 25. Now, normally what you would do in 23 times 46 is multiply 2 times 4. However, this is one of the changes that we are going to do. Do not, I'll write it right here, don't multiply tens digit, okay? Do not multiply the tens digits in the first multiplication. That's one of the important things you need to remember. Otherwise, you could get messed up in this. So you just skip 2 times 4. We are not going to do that. Instead, we're going to move on to doing 32 times 46 now. Normal first step would be 2 times 6, right? Multiply the unit digit. However, as you can see in blue, we've already done that. So we are not going to repeat that. And so I'll write that right here. That's why we don't do that. Don't multiply ones digit. In second multiplication, okay? This is very important as well. And you know that you don't because you've done it already. When you did the outside plus inside, you already did 2 times 6. So we're not going to do that anymore. Instead, we're going to continue with the next step, which is outside plus inside. So 3 times 6 is 18. And 2 times 4 is 8. So 18 plus 8 is 26. Carry the 2, you get 28. Finally, we just do the tens digit. 3 times 4, that's 12. Carry the 2, 14. And that should be your answer. 14,858. Now, the reason why you don't multiply the tens digit in the first one is mainly because you multiply the tens digit in the second one. And why you don't multiply the ones digit in the second one is because you multiply the ones digit in the first one. So they basically just cancel each other out. So if you just remember that, you should be able to do these pretty quickly. Now let's do one more problem just to make sure we get this. Except I won't show you all the specific steps this time. So 61 times 35. 1 times 5, that's 5. Next. Outside, 6 times 5 is 30. Inside, 1 times 3 is 3. 30 plus 3 is 33. We don't do 6 times 3. We skip the tens digit in the first one. Next, we're going to do 46 times 35. 6 times 5, we are not multiplying the units digit in the second one. Instead, we're directly going to go to outside plus inside. So 4 times 5 plus 6 times 3. 20 plus 18 is 38. Plus 3 is 41. Finally, just unit digit 4 times 3. That's 12. Carry the 4. You get 16. And that should be your answer. Okay guys, now we're going to do our problem from an actual test. As you can see, this is from the Mathleague 2020 regional test, so it's recent this year. Now, in this one, they've written it as a 2-digit times 3-digit. But it's basically the same thing. Just imagine it written the other way around. Which two numbers would you multiply? Well, you do 25 times 88 first. You always do the number which is farthest to the right. So first we're going to do 25 times 88. Unit digit, 8 times 5, that's 40. Next, we're going to do the outside plus inside. So outside, 8 times 5, 40, plus inside, 8 times 2, 16. 56, plus 4, 60. Next, we are not going to multiply a 10th digit, no 8 times 2, because that already happened up here. Instead, we're going to go on to 88 times 62. So normally you would do the unit digit, not doing that. Okay, skip the unit digit. We are going to do the outside plus inside of 88 times 62. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 8 times 6 is 48. 16 plus 48 is 64. Carry the 6, and you get 70. Finally, we're just going to multiply the 10th digit of both numbers. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 7 is 55. And that is our answer. So there is another trick to solve this problem, which I will cover in a later video. So if you like my videos, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with anyone else who you think may want to know about this. Thanks for watching.